Hello everyone, my name is David from Lite Tech Support channel. Today I want to show you in this quick tutorial how to enable the dark mode on Facebook Lite app. I just installed it. You can get Facebook Lite from Play Store and you will have just to search Facebook Lite. It doesn't consume that much RAM or it works hand in hand with your phone if you don't have a very powerful one. So that being said, let's get it started. I will just open Facebook Lite app. Now I don't want to allow the notifications for the app. We'll have to reach the menu on the top right corner. I will leave an arrow on the screen. There you can locate 3 lines. I will hit those lines and here you can locate the main menu on Facebook. Scroll all the way down and under settings and privacy you can locate this dark mode. If you will press once on that, it will enable automatically the dark mode, and once again if you will press one more time it will disable the dark mode. You don't have to go deeper into the settings. You'll find the dark mode right under the settings. So that being said, I really hope I help you with this tutorial how to enable dark mode on Facebook Lite. Don't forget to smash the like button if I help you, and of course leave any questions down below in the comments section if you have any. Please have a great day.